Oh wait. Oh wait. Wait. Is there anything else? This is starting to look legit.
Yeah, there's nothing else.
Oh wait. Oh, they didn't give the wooden box, I think.
Wait, we don't know. WHATAWATCHES.
WHATAWATCHES. Oh, there's a little note inside. Mechanical watch is very sensitive, inconvenient. Watches are easy to lose. Never drop your watch. Please do not change the day between 8 to 3. This is my first time actually getting, well, there's no date on this one. But usually when I get watches, they don't ever give you that warning, like don't change during X amount of, like, certain hours. Like, they usually aren't supposed to change from, like...
I feel like it's inside of the Grand Seiko book.
I'm gonna have to double check on my Grand Seiko book now. Yeah.
Who looks at the book anyway? Nobody looks at the book. Alright, before we get started, so Sean reached out to me about, he wanted a dive watch that was a black bezel with a white dial, no date, under $1,500. I want to give a shout out to Clicky Bezel for putting me on this Squale WHATAWATCHES collab that we're about to show you, and I'm really excited to see it.
Yeah, let's drop in. It's still crazy how I was very specific and you were like, I got it. Like,
yeah, it just came to me like when
Squale.
Alright, so we have a box. We thought it'd come with a wooden box, but this is the cardboard box.
Yeah, so
now
it did not come with the wooden box.
It's fine.
It's okay.
This is a really nice, like, watch roll case that also has the paperwork inside of here. Let's check this out. Oh, warranty card.
Wow.
So you have number 103 out of 300. Squale book. This is nice. Cool.
Here's the strap, if you want to take a look at that.
So this strap was sent to you free from WHATAWATCHES, correct?
Yeah. They had a well, I actually saw a video and they had a promotion for it. They said if you use the discount code, and so, but the code, it wasn't linking correctly. So I let them know. They're like, yeah, we're gonna toss that in for you. So I originally didn't want the strap because it looked great. I heard the leather quality is crazy on it too, and so that was really clutch of them saying, yo, yeah, we'll toss that in.
That's nice. It's a nice strap.
Yes. Oh.
Now let's see the watch.
Let's see the watch.
Ooh, that looks good, man.
That actually looks really good. Holy, this is a lot longer than I'm still not used to having non-clasp straps.
Oh yeah, because all your watches have bracelets.
Yep.
Hold on, let me go get my calipers.
You know, I did some research about kind of the early influence that it had with Blancpain.
Yeah.
And I saw the watches that Blancpain had, and I was like, oh, okay, I definitely see it. Kind of how this watch, kind of, especially the case. I forget which model it was from Blancpain that it follows suit from, but the style of this watch is definitely a vintage type of diver. You feel like you're struggling harder than I was.
No, dude, I almost got it. Do you want to cut this off? Do the owners.
For do we have a should we just
use a knife? It's official, guys.
Wow,
it's official. Yeah,
I really like this actually.
All right, let's hear the bezel action.
That's pretty nice actually. I heard that it has sometimes some models, people have said it's a little rigid in some places, but I feel like it's pretty good.
A little bit of play going back and forth, just a hair, but it's not bad. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Do you prefer a gloss or a matte finish on the bezel?
I like all of them. I prefer ceramic the most out of all of them. I just think that ceramic looks the coolest, even if it's glossy or if it's matte. NATO. Do you wear NATO on any of your other watches?
No, I don't.
I keep all the stickers.
How come?
So if I ever resell, I just put them all back on.
Just say it was OEM, never touched. Dead
Nah,
stock. That's great. That's like me
nah.
and my shoes.
Nah.
Because I don't walk. Just tell everybody my shoes are dead stock.
Yeah, it looks great.
Specifically, I was very happy that it's no date. I love a no date. Because I like the dates that I have is from the PRX as well as the Grand Seiko. But I find myself wearing and they're quick sets, so it's not too inconvenient. But I wear my Oyster Perpetual, not because it's just a Rolex, but I realized it's super fast to just change the time. Yeah, I'm good to go.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
All right, so Sean is a chef. The reason why he got fascinated with divers, I feel like chefs, they kind of need convenient timing tools on their body, and like, you know, chronographs and divers watches I think are like the best tools to have in those moments, especially a diver, just because the high water resistance rating. So I sold him on it, and now this is why he added a dive watch to his collection, which I think is really dope.
A month after our conversation about it, I was pretty sold about it. Yeah.
He's quiet luxury.
Oh.
He just drops 1,500 like nothing. It's fine. All right, so 39. It's a 39 millimeter case, but with the bezel it was like 39.7. Lug to lug I think was like 47.5, and the thickness is 12.4. This is on the NATO. We're about to switch it out for the leather Horween strap.
Oh, I just put it back in.
Let's switch it out and see what's up.
Yeah.
All your watches are sapphire.
Yeah, they have to be.
Yeah.
Because I don't. Just because with my wheelchair and pushing, you know, my hand being so close to the rims of my wheels all the time.
Yeah.
If anything happens, I definitely don't want to see a scratch onto it. That looks great too. Oh, it's a completely different look. A lot tighter.
Yeah, it like completely shrinks down the watch.
Significantly, actually. See it on your wrist first.
That completely shrinks down. It just like it makes the lug to lug seem even smaller. I think this taper really makes a difference, and this just like brings it. For me, especially because I have such a tiny wrist, like this really kind of shrinks down the whole case on the wrist and actually makes it the perfect size, for me at least. For anybody that's in the market for wanting to get one of these, and if you're afraid of dropping $1,500, which that's a lot of money, like I get it, but dude, like trust me when I say that when you handle this thing, it's worth every penny. I think what you got is such a it's a really nice addition, and like the whole link to Korea.
Yeah.
Our culture is cool, and I think that it's like just a really nice looking watch that you can dress up, dress down, and it's really versatile.
You're right. I was thoroughly surprised how much of a dress watch it could look with that leather strap. That was crazy, actually.
Yeah, it was nice.
We need to maybe just go to Korea and swing by WHATAWATCHES.
I'm down.
Dude,
I'm down. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Well, I appreciate you letting me check this thing out, dude.
Thanks for the input, the recommendation. This wouldn't happen without you, actually.
Shout out to Clicky Vessel. Yeah.
And here's to more watches, whatever our wallets allow.
More watches.
More watches.
More watches. All right. It's 11:50 p.m. and we both have businesses we gotta run.
Oh my gosh.
Good night. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.
Peace.
This is Sean. This is John. And we're out. Bye.